Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic sunroof, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, roof rack, speed control, rear fog light. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi Certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi Certified cars, performance, and peace of mind.